Hello kids! Welcome to your video dance tutorial. Observe how the locomotor and non-locomotor movements being applied in different directions, pathways, and levels. Good luck and enjoy! First step is to snap your fingers to your left and to your right side of your body. Put a little bit of swaying action. Next step is walk forward and backward. You can put a little bit of hand movements. This time, walk sideways to your left. Do that with your arms stretching. This time, do it going to your right side. Then, next step would be twist your body to your left and to your right with shaking of hands in a medium level. Next step is shaking your hands in a high and low levels by bending the knees down and coming back to standing position. You're doing great! Next step is to take a slide step going to your left. Make sure to keep your left foot touching the floor. At the same time, extend your arms diagonally. Bend forward, backward, and sideward, followed by rotating of hips. This time, repeat the process to your right side. Alright, next is to jump to your left and jump to your right. Make sure that you spring and land on both feet at the same time. After that, roll your hands while turning around to your left and going back to the right. Okay, let's do it one more time. Fantastic! Repeat the process from the jumping steps. Do the swinging of arms. Make sure that your arms are soft and relaxed. Well done! So this time, let's start from the top. Walk forward and backward. Keep going. You're doing great, my dear. This time, instead of jumping, hop to your left and right using your left foot. Next is to turn around going to your left and right while rolling your hands. Very good. Now, hop using your right foot. Good job. Then turn around going to your left and right while rolling your hands. You're doing great. Okay, here's the last step. Make a curved line using your hands going up and going down. There you go. You got it. And to end your dance, speed and bend forward. Amazing! Fantastic, my dear students! This time, let's try it with music. Are you ready? Let's go!
Thin lines, hot sun and clear blue skies, the waves are crashing by. And when she passed me by and gave a wink and smile, and I was on cloud nine, Lord, the way you move your hips and lick your lips, the way you dip, you got me up so high. And girl, you got that body with them curls like a Bugatti, I just wanna drive, oh. And girl, you know, round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Gravity define, I can't believe my eyes, that thing can bring the tide, hey. Around and round clockwise, like a merry-go-ride, I wanna go all night, yeah. The way you move your hips and lick your lips, the way you dip, you got me up so high, yeah. And girl, you got that body with them curls like a Bugatti, I just wanna drive, oh. And girl, you know, round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop,